Here's a Olympia Typewriter, model SM3. It's an earlier SM3, 1953. It's also a model that this version doesn't have a tab key, and the margin settings are behind this here. There's just little differences, which I find interesting because I've seen multiple versions. All the strike keys are numbered, you know, right on the arm. I've seen that. I put in a new ribbon, and this has this, it's a standard font, 11 type per inch, and some wear marks here. Even the case is different than the regular cases I've seen for other Olympia typewriters. It's like a cloth, kind of a fake tweed. I think tweed. Some of the other things on it. Here's the back side here. This is a little different than other models, but it's a nice, you know, Olympia typewriters. They just kept on working. I cleaned up the keys and everything, and key caps, and I've cleaned the keys here, put a little oil in here. The rubber roller here is hard, but it still types well. A lot of times I'll use 2 sheets of paper to kind of help cushion the when it hits the roller. There's some rust spotting from being in a probably kind of a damp environment, but the typewriter is fully functional. It's a carriage shift in order to type capital letters. The carriage shifts and not the basket. And I think that's about it. I'm going to be selling this on eBay. Oh, it's a grayish color. I cleaned it off somewhat, but there's still some stains. There's some staining. But I'm going to be listing this up on eBay. And so that's about it. Thank you for watching this video.